Hi friends, welcome to today's video. And today's video is a little bit different than my normal videos, and it's a little bit more conceptual and lined in more conceptual art than my usual videos. So the reason I created this is because I was thinking a lot about it, and I was doing a lot of research about conceptual artists, and I thought to myself it would be interesting to do some kind of a format that anybody could do for this sketchbook series. And I thought about, there's a poem in The Bell Jar by Sylvia Plath called about choices and the fig tree, and how she sits under the tree and watches all her choices drop away. And I found this interesting because as a person I've often felt I haven't always been the best with choices, making decisions, and I wondered if anybody else out there felt the same. Please leave below in the comments. So that's why I thought, you know what, let's make a piece of art about this. And so I thought to myself, well, I make choices all the time, and so I thought, why not just record all the choices and decisions I make on a daily basis. So I wrote down every single choice I made for 24 hours I was consciously aware of. That being that I had to consciously sit and say, oh yeah, I'm going to have this food, or I'm going here, or it wasn't like something necessarily that was written in my diary to do. These are choices that had to be made on the day. And it made me very aware of how many choices we make on a daily basis. And sometimes it's really fun to make art that kind of builds your awareness. And I think it's a massively helpful tool for us to help us get to know ourselves, is to become aware of how we can use art to learn about ourselves and develop our consciousness. So here we are. I wrote out all my choices and I found it really, really insightful. And I thought to myself, maybe I'm not as bad as choices as I thought, since I made so many all day and I felt most of them were relatively good choices. And that's all the video for today, and it's quite a little bit different. I hope you give it a go anyway, and I hope you enjoyed. Please remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and comment below about what you think about videos like this or your thoughts on conceptual art. That's all for now. Happy being creative. Bye.